Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make the Copycat Chick-Fil-A Kale Crunch Salad, so let's get started with the video. We're going to begin by making the salad dressing. In a bowl, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Then mix everything together until well combined. When you're finished, set the salad dressing to the side. Next, shred some cabbage. I learned this trick on TikTok where you can use a vegetable peeler to shred cabbage. It makes it way easier. Once you're finished shredding the cabbage, set it to the side. Next, add 4 cups of chopped kale in a large bowl. Make sure you wash and dry the kale beforehand. Next, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil, then massage the kale for 2 to 3 minutes to tenderize it. When you're finished, add 1 cup of shredded cabbage, a 1/4 cup of chopped roasted almonds, and the salad dressing you made before. Then mix everything together until well combined. And that's it, you're all finished making the kale crunch salad. All that's left to do is plate it up. And this is the finished result. This is my mom's favorite salad, and when she ate it, she said it tasted just like the one from Chick-fil-A. This salad is delicious, it's super easy to make, and it's healthy. I definitely recommend. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!